Alright guys, there it is. I'm now on my tablet, so it doesn't have nearly as wonderful capabilities as my phone, but as you can see, you can still see the light. It doesn't matter if I go up or I go down. And on my tablet here, it is the actual camera is at 1/2 inch. So exactly like what's his face is. All right, now for the long fucking walk. Y'all already kind of know what's going to happen, right? Now, if I haven't already explained it, in the first bit of footage, the distance was 333 feet. I thought that was kind of funny. I know it's gonna fuck with somebody. All right. The walking is the fun part, right? All this exercise. Now, the distance that I'm walking is it's further. It's 460 feet. So that's 50 feet. That's 50 feet further than what Life is Short had. And we're coming on the light. And you're like, oh, why aren't you showing us the area? Well, undisclosed location, maybe? Yeah, y'all need to know where the fuck I'm at. Okay. And here we are. There it is. Not a shocker. It's on the damn it's on the fucking roll. Alright. Make sure we're parallel. There we go. So, same light. The long walk back. Crap. You know, I'm old. I shouldn't be. I'm putting this right here. There we go. I'll come back for that. I don't need to walk around. Hi, God damn it. No, forgot. Well, no, I can pick it up. I'm going to pick it up when I go back to grid. Anyway. So yeah, the tablet isn't nearly as gives you that really good quality footage, but even still, it still didn't work all the way to the ground, and you still see the light. I mean, the only thing I could possibly do is place the light in the goddamn concrete, which obviously I can't because it's fucking concrete and you wouldn't see the light. So why is it that how was it that Life is Short was able to do this? It's interesting. I just saw a bat. That's cool. Anyway, it's a damn good question. because he sure as fuck didn't have it at 2.5 goddamn inches above the goddamn water. That's for fucking sure. Alright. Let's reposition myself. Alright. Now you see, there is actually more to this, but as you can see, I stopped here at this line because actually on Google Maps, this right here doesn't exist. And it also goes upwards. So we avoid that. Alright, go over. Right about here. There we go. Oh yeah, there's my crack. Crack. Alright. On the ground again. Does it disappear? Touchdown! And it doesn't. Let's see if I can zoom this sucker in. Alright, yeah. Still doesn't do it. Make sure this shit's straight. Ish. Oh, sorry. Let me center it. Is that better? I hope so. Still see the light, and of course, I'm sitting my happy ass down. You still can't. You can still see it. It doesn't go away. It doesn't diminish. All right. I'm gonna hold this. That's kind of neat. This case has a flap. I can actually hold it by the flap and let it center itself. Yay! Alright. You know what we gotta do? All the way back. Grab the damn light, come all the way the fuck over here, or go back, and do it all over again. Uncut. Alright. I do recommend fast forwarding through this shit. I sort of kind of wish I did a live stream, but I couldn't do a live stream with both cameras. At least not the way I would like. I don't think I can actually do that. So, pre-recorded. I think it's funny, I was out here a little bit earlier just to test the area. And I'm walking back to get my light. And some I'm not gonna say bum, but a dumpster diver came out from an alleyway and then started walking towards it. And yeah, that was interesting. Having to tell them, you know, it's my light. You know, I'm not a little guy, and I've got that whole, you know, kind of authoritative voice when I need to. Yeah, they promptly turn the flashlight off and put it down gently. All right, we are fast approaching our light. It is on the goddamn ground. Oh, turn that fucker off. Grab my damn tape. Unfortunately, I can't, obviously, due to the way this shit is, I can't do the same thing I did and go below the concrete, or edge on, as it were. So this right here is probably a better example of replicating Life is Short's. We're not replicating. No, we're not actually replicating shit. We're just testing. This is how you verify an observation, by doing something similar, or at least close enough. Well, okay, you could do an exact one, and I may still do that. I obviously had the flashlight, and I got the stuff to build the rig. I have some issues with that, but I'll explain that whenever I do the observation. These fire lane, it actually is a really good marker. It's pretty much ramrod straight from end to end, which is cute. All right, back to my crack. Oh, we're gonna do that right there, and let's get the direction right. We are right about there. Alright, that should be good. Alright. You know, for all you football players, nah, there's a joke in there somewhere. I think it's funny, when I was a kid, like 18, I was this skinny little dude. Well, I was lanky, you know, I was tall, long arms, long fingers, long hands, all that kind of shit. And then my dumb ass signed up. All I had to do, it took very little time, but I mean, after basic training, I was a little, you know, grr. And then I got into a job where I was told it was an office job. They lied. Well, they kind of lied. I did end up in an office for a little while, because it is part of what my job was. But for the most part, I saw a shit ton of the outside and got to move like heavy shit around. And I probably packed on nearly I'd say close to about 50, 60 pounds doing that kind of shit. But in that whole, you know, V shape. I am not that shape now. I've got the dad bod going on. I'm pretty much still tall, just a little thicker in places. All right, down the ground. Is the light there? Hold on. Let me position my ass on the ground so I can see what the fuck I'm doing. All right. Oh, what do you know? You can still see the stupid light. Hold on. Didn't fucking change. Okay, well, sorry. This is what it's sitting on tape. Let's see what happens. We take it off the tape, come right the fuck back, and do this shit all over again. All right, that's at 2.5 inches. Didn't really do anything to it. So, by the way, I'm passing something that smells horrific. Like dead body smell. I did see a cat earlier. Might have got something. Anyway. Oh, and if y'all are curious, there's my goddamn phone. So, not on my phone. So, you can't say I'm using, you know, height to my advantage. I know. If you're like, trust me, somebody would say some shit. Gleam. Alright. Like, yeah, they're still there. Didn't go nowhere. And I'm actually doing this shit. Hey, there's the moon. There's a planet I see. Anyway, you can see with your naked eye, but I couldn't tell you which one it was. A lot of... Anyway, unlike what's his fuck who said, it's a nice clear night. Fucker, it wasn't even dark. I mean, granted, I know in some places that doesn't mean anything. It could be quote unquote nighttime and not be dark. Alright. One more time. Fuck. Alright. We will retrieve that later. Alright. Still pointed in the direction. Alright. Let's go. Oh, and I'm old. Well, I wouldn't say out of shape, but come on. How many football fields is this so far? How many times is this? I've lost count. Back and forth, to and fro. Definitely fast forward through this shit, guys. I mean, unless you want to hear me, that's fine. What was I gonna talk about? I don't remember. Okay, now, this also kind of lends itself to the question of how the hell was I able to do what I did with that damn cup? Wouldn't you like to know? There's no real mystery. It's not magic. It's not, there's that smell again. It's not magic. It's not tricks or anything like that. You see what you see. You can have as many theories as you want. Gleam. Oh, this is gonna be funny. All right, we're back. See, same spot. Now we must give it. All right. Dangle, dangle, dangle. Hey, what do you know? You can still fucking see the light. See if I can actually... that's probably about as good as it's gonna get. Oh, let me balance it. There we go. Yep. Ta-da! There's the light. You see it doesn't go away. I lower the camera down, and it never fucking went away. It never fucking disappeared. Ah, motherfuckers. Okay. It's my channel. I can say the F-bomb all I want. Oh. Shout out to Jose. Alright. It's just a standard communication sometimes. You have to tell somebody that they're a motherfucker. Especially when they're being a motherfucker. Alright, so we've done it 400, and I've got the thing. I Googled the earth and yada yada yada. Did my measurements, took my screenshots, and I didn't manipulate them. Now, Let me rephrase it. I'm sorry. That makes it sound like I might have manipulated it. I'm just trying. No, I'm not really. Anyway, I can have somebody, verify. Well, not quite yet. We're cool. But we're not that fucking cool. All right. 400, and it's still fucking there. 460 goddamn feet. That is 50 fucking feet further than what's his fuck claimed. Right? Now, I know what you're thinking. Maybe it was refraction. Maybe not. It could have been further. He called it a lake. To me, it looked like a pond. That's just me. It could have been further. Could have actually been closer. I have a few theories. By the way, if you get like motion sickness, kind of really easy, just listen to the sultry sound of my voice, and just don't look at the screen because, Anyway, I hope I'm not actually blocking the mic on this thing. I got it, Well, I didn't get it. It was a gift. Christmas. Hardly ever use it. It's one of those Amazon Fire fucking tablets or whatever. It's a giant commercial. That's all it really is. Supposedly you can change the code on it or whatever and turn it into an actual legit tablet. But I don't know. I might do it. Can't be any worse than what I got now. I'm actually trying to think of something. Fuck it. All right, we're passing the thingy. All right. Now the reason why we're going all the way back is I like being very thorough. It's probably a good way to put it. So I want y'all to see that I'm actually on this stupid tablet where the fucking camera is. So y'all know I'm not fucking with y'all. Because contrary to popular belief, I actually like being someone who doesn't have to lie. Or manipulate shit. Or every other myriad of just bullshit that seems prevalent from the other side. Alright. Around the building. Back to the all too familiar concrete and brick. Alright. I'll set this shit down here. I have the thingy I have to do. I'll stare at that for a minute. There. And oh no. Oh no. And ta-da. As you can see, I'm on one of those damn tablets. Ta-da. Yes, I has a beard. But there it is. That's it. I will see you guys later.